Hello friends, I am Divyesh More and I am pursuing MBA in Finance Specialization. So today we are discussing one interesting topic, that is forward contract and future contract. So first we are discussing introduction. What is forward contract? Forward contract is a contract between buyer and seller to buy and sell any type of assets at a future date. The price of particular asset is set when the contract is drawn up. Forward contract have one settlement date. They all settle at the end of the contract. Next, future contract. Like forward contract, future contracts involve the agreement to buy and sell at a specific price at a future date. Both forward and future contracts are similar in many ways. Both involve the agreement to buy and sale of assets at a future date. Both both the both have prices that are derived from some underlying asset. Next, differences. First, meaning: an agreement entered by parties to trade assets in future date and at and agreed trade is called as forward contract. An agreement when parties agrees to buy or sell asset at a fixed price in future, that is future contract. Form: in forward contract, tailor made contract, and the future contract are standardized contract. Settlement: the settlement of forward contract upon a maturity date, and the future contract can be settled on daily basis. Regulation: forward contract regulated by salesperson, and the future contract is regulated on stock exchange by the stock exchange. Next, trading: forward contract traded over the counter and future contract traded organized stock exchange platform. Next, maturity in forward contract is standard and fixed, and in future contract as per the terms of contract. That is, maturity period is sometime depend on monthly basis, yearly basis. The contract here gets more less valuable over the time in forward, and future the price of contract reset to zero at the end of the day. Next, the price is only known to the trading parties, and the price transparency in the future market. In forward contract, generally safe regulated, so we are discussing recently, and in future contract regulated by stock exchange. In respect, liquidity is lower in case of forward contract, and liquidity is high in case of future market. Forward contracts are both hedging and speculator, and trader can use future contract. Next, there is no secondary market in forward contract, and future contract trade on recognized stock exchange. Next, under forward contract, buyer and seller directly negotiate term. In the future contract, it has standard terms and quoted and traded on exchange. Forward contract are settled on monthly basis, and future contract are settled on daily basis. Risk factor is high in forward contract, other than risk factor is low in future contract. Next, the size of the contract varies on the basis of contract terms in forward contract, and in the future market, size of contract is fixed. Next, we are discussing advantage of forward contract. Buy now, pay later. Next, lock in the current exchange rate for a future purchase. Hedge your exposure and reduce your risks. Very simple to set up. Forward contract is simple to set up, inexpensive, and they can draw down to get currency early, and you can roll over if you don't need funds until after the original settlement. And advantages of future contract: have very low margin. In future contract, very low margin, Future contracts are on exchange, so somewhat reduce counterparty risk. The cost of trading futures are very low compared to currency forward.